Hello, welcome to my channel. Today I am going to demonstrate face recognition based automatic attendance system. Now I am going to open the project folder. That's our project folder on left where you can see all the files of this project. Now I am opening this project in Window Explorer so that you can clearly see what's in there. Here is the attendance folder where all the attendance sheets are saved. This is icons folder. These icons are used in this project. You can download these icons from the link in the description. You have to extract the file in this folder. This is subject folder where attendance sheets of subjects are placed. These sheets have names of students and subject details. And the rest are the files which are required in several tasks. We will cover each of them. Now I am opening the loading page file. Here you can see the loading page. Don't confuse yet, this project was named as Smart Classroom. Let's log in with our credentials. So this is our main home page. You can see there are 5 buttons. One is for adding student and related details including dataset. One is for marking attendance. Rests our developer page and show attendance sheet, and finally exit button. To include a new student in our system, follow these steps. Fill out the necessary form. Check the last assigned ID on the right-hand side before assigning a new one. Complete the remaining fields and save the information. After saving, select the student and click on the Take Photo Sample button to generate a dataset. You can also update or delete a student and search for students using the system. You can see I am selecting one student. Its details are showing in the text boxes. Now if you press Take Photo button, the photo samples will be collected. Now back to home page. I am selecting Mark Attendance button. It includes 2 buttons. One for Start Attendance Marking Procedure, which includes the face recognition and then saving a raw names of faces recognized. Second is to save that names into Excel attendance sheet. On the top you can see a drop-down text area. Before saving the attendance you need to select the subject. Now I pressed Mark Attendance. This will take some seconds to load. Meanwhile you can see the names list showing in the terminal. After the text all encodings completed you can see the face recognition window. You can see my face and it is recognized by my name. Here is another face of my friend and it is recognized by his name. Let's proceed to the attendance section. Here are the steps to save the attendance sheet. On the top choose subject whose attendance sheet that needs to be saved. Click on the Save Attendance button. If there is a scheduled class for the day, the attendance sheet will be updated. If there is no class scheduled for the day, an error message will appear. Here is a text file named as raw attendance which saves the names of students that appears on the camera. Here is another file which only saves the names once. Repeated values will be removed. This is the registration section. You have to fill the form. There is admin verification password which must be filled by the admin.